How to fix WhatsApp quality problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp quality problem easy and quick on Android phone. Uh, First open WhatsApp and then just open settings here, click these 3 points here and then click settings. And now just here we'll find the storage and data, and then all you need to do here is just click photo upload. You will find it auto. Now all you need to do, just click on it and select best quality and then click OK, and that's it. Then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.